historic success of the MGB, MG reimagined the cool and stylish sports car for the 1990s with this, our 1996 MG RV8. With bright red paintwork and a beautiful tan interior, our MG RV8 defines sophistication and style like its predecessor before it. Although its modern updated styling still looks fresh, there is still a visual connection of the past. The RV8 gets its name from the 3.9-litre fuel-injected V8 that lurks beneath the bonnet, which thanks to its 5-speed manual gearbox and rear-wheel drive, give this 1990s sports car all the characteristics of an old-school bruiser. For more information and to enter the draw to win this old-school, underrated V8 sports car, then head to the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website. Good luck!